So MTHFR, you're prone to more inflammation in your body. You hold on to toxins. It's harder to flush stuff like that out. And you can think about it kind of like fibromyalgia pain, where everything just hurts and aches all the time. And I've noticed the adjustments, the standing adjustments here, make all the difference in the world. I don't ache as badly when I leave. It doesn't hurt like it would the typical where you're laying down on the table. So that has been excellent as well.